Hello students. Now in this video we are doing the grammar portion of lesson number 20, teaching at the Tolstoy farm. Now here the grammar portion there is nominalization. Now nominalization is nouns that are created from adjectives, words that describe nouns, or verbs, which is action words. नॉमिनलाइजेशन स्टूडेंट्स वो होता है जिसमें नाउन्स को क्रिएट किया जाता है एडजेक्टिव और वर्ब से. एडजेक्टिव्स वो वर्ड्स जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं नाउन को, या जो एक्शन वर्ड्स जो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं नाउन को, उसमें चेंज करना नॉमिनलाइजेशन कहलाता है. नाउ हियर स्टडी द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन द सेंटेंस. As the farm grew, it was found necessary to make some provision for the education of its boys and girls. Here students, you see that farm grew. Farm grew, and here you see that in this sentence, growth of farm. Farm grew, the nominalization of farm grew is growth of farm. Second is, I did not think it necessary to engage special teachers for them. Here, engage special, engaging teachers who had got specialization for them. Third, it was not possible for qualified Indian teachers were scarce. Here, qualified words. The nominalization of qualified is qualification. It was not possible for Indian teachers having qualification. Fourth one, I did not believe in the existing system of education. Here, I had no belief in the system of education which was in existence. Fifth one, I fully appreciated the necessity of a literary training in addition. Here, I have full appreciation for the necessity of a training in literalness in addition. So here students, like that we have to convert next exercise. Now here you see that the exercises convert the following sentences above, changing verbs and adjectives with their respective noun forms without changing the meaning. बिना मीनिंग बदले हुए हमें verbs को और adjectives को noun forms में change करना. Here, I decided to live amongst them all the 24 hours of the day as their father. Here, the word decided, we change the sentence like, I took a decision to live amongst them all the 24 hours of the day as their father. Here, decided changes into took a decision. Now second one is, they did not generally need any other exercise of games. Here when we convert the sentence in nominalization, the sentence become, generally they had not need of any other exercise of games. Third one, sometimes I connived at their pranks, but often I was strict with them. Here a sentence become, sometimes I showed connivance at their pranks, but often I had strictness with them. Fourth one, I dare say they did not like the strictness, but I do not recollect their having resisted it. Answer is, I dare say they had dislike for the strictness. Here did not like means dislike. But I have no recollection of their resistance to it. Fifth one, when we change it into, the sentence become, I intended teaching every one of the youngsters some manual vocation. Sixth one, I had its learning from him and started teaching the art to such as we were ready to take it up. Seventh one, I have no remembrance of reading any book from cover to cover with my boys. Now in next question, students, find out determiners in the following sentence. Here in the first sentence the determiner is all, second one is some, third is this, they, their, fourth one is some, all. In fifth one there is a little, sixth one everyone, some, seventh no, the. So students, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook.